Hi users! Many people asking me about my profession, and when I reply that I'm UX designer or user experience designer, they are quite confused. So today's question is, what user experience is? So user experience help to boost your company return of investment, help the strategy and collaboration, and thanks to that, it's going to improve your product service to adapt to the customer needs and opinion considering the company status or the maturity status of your company. To do so, we use like information, like quantitative and qualitative information. So it's information based on opinions or information based on data. More information, more insight that we can take. So I will say that user experience is quite different from for everyone into the company. So it's not the same for developers, it's not the same for product owner, it's not the same for marketing, and it's not the same for UX designers. What is the meaning of UX for developers, for example? I will say that user experience and user interface is a place like very important for them because it becomes like the source of truth for them, the place where they can take the information and the reference and all the components, and they will be able to create the code in a very consistent way. So we need to take care of delivering the best quality for them, like typography for header, but primary button should be the same color, same typography, or input and the radio of the input. And the way that we are going to build the main components are going to be like a very polished, because we need to take care about the layers, we need to take care about how we want to arrange the information into the Figma file along the interface without having this kind of different style. So for product owners, the most demanded thing from UX is, okay, how I can validate my insight, how I can create an impact into the user in a way that the company is going to run and have more incomes. So they are going to launch like a different product during the year. So as UX designer, you need to help to product owners to validate their assumptions, just running, for example, a research or having like a workshop to align like what the product owner needs or what other stakeholder needs, and like create a place where everyone can take a team decision in terms of UI, even in terms of a strategy. So they have a different vision of what user experience is. For marketing, it's super important to bear in mind what kind of audience they have, which one is the best voice and tone, how UX is going to provide this kind of socio-demographical information. The mental model of the user is so important as well. So they need, for target the audience, they need this kind of information provided by user experience designers. And what is user experience for UX designers? Is quite holistic, because you need to have an eye on the strategy and you need to have an eye on the implementation of this strategy, share your ideas and polish the design, the product. So it's quite complex. So which is your definition of UX? So if you can please leave your comment above and follow me to have more UX topics, I will appreciate that. So have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.